This video will show you how to fix the Wondareed if the method in the first video, maintenance for Wondareed 1, did not work. First, disassemble the Wondareed. Then, pull out the reed and steel plate. For easier understanding, the reed is stained red. Wash the body of the Wondareed with weakly running water, although the actual process with running water is not shown. Shake off and blow off any excess water. The next step is to wash the reed itself. The reed is originally slightly curved in order to work. Without damaging the curve, gently hold the reed and wash with weakly running water. The actual process with running water is not shown. Then, place the reed onto a handkerchief or tissue. Likewise, wash the steel plate under weakly running water. After washing the reed and steel plate, remove the water using a handkerchief or tissue. Once dried, the next step is to reassemble the parts. Hold the reed so that the curve is pointed downwards. Gently hold the curved region and insert the reed into the Wondareed body. Next is insertion of the steel plate. The steel plate has two holes, but they are not positioned in the center of the plate. Hold the steel plate so that the two holes are placed on the front side of the Wondareed. Insert the steel plate on the top of the reed. Once inserted, adjust the reed so that it is placed in the center of the Wondareed body. By holding the edge of the Wondareed, making sure that the reed and steel plate does not move, place the clamp on the Wondareed body. The clamp will not be correctly attached if the metal chain is on the outside. So, place the clamp so that the metal chain comes to the inner side. Push in the clamp tightly until approximately 1 mm of the Wondareed body sticks out from the clamp. Lastly, gently lift the small plate and you will now be able to play the Wondareed again.